Hi guys, how's it going? It's Marky. I picked up some new Matchbox, wanted to show you guys. I got this really cool truck with the shell livery on it. And I'm gonna unbox all these cars right now. These beautiful Matchbox. 1965 Ford C900. Wow, looks so cool. I gotta say the artwork on the car looks amazing. Look at that. With the beautiful shell livery on there. It looks so cool. Here's the front view on the Ford C900. Beautiful lights on this one. Nice stripe with the Ford name. It's got those little searchlights there. Mirrors. Horns on the top. Little lights there. Check out the side view with the chrome. Red chrome on the tires. Red chrome on the wheels. Looks really nice. The red chrome, I love that how it looks with this red combination. Really nice. I love the shell badge or logo right there. M61285. Ford name right there. Same thing on this side. MB1265. Let me double check that. MB1285. MB1285. So Matchbox 1285. And then this part here is all plastic, the silver part. And the base is plastic. The cab is all die-cast metal, except for the bumper in the front. And those little fog lights on the bottom. We do have a support beam in there in yellow. And you can see it is a left side driver. Big mirrors on the side there. And we do have the windshield, the glass in the back as well. And a nice clear glass or windshield in the front, divided in two with this metal piece. 3 windows on each side. Very, very beautiful truck, man. Ford C900 was it, right? Let's see. Yeah, C900. 1965 Ford C900. And it says it right here. Look at that. 65 Ford C900. Copyright 2021. And here we have the tires all look the same. Little details down here, not much. Don't see any exhaust showing on this one anywhere. No smokestacks. But it's a beautiful, beautiful truck. Wow, looks really nice. This was a really exciting find today. Really exciting. So these are now available at Walmart, guys. Found it today at Walmart. Found a handful. Looks like I got there late. There must have been more, but I'll go out and find some more. Gotta hit another Walmart, see if I get lucky. Probably tomorrow if I get a chance. Porsche 911 Carrera Cabriolet is the next one. A nice convertible Porsche in a beautiful green color. Look at that, with the gold wheels. I've seen this combination before. It looks so good, this metallic green with the gold wheels. It does look really, really good. Look at that. Man, a beautiful Ford truck and a nice Porsche in green. Wow, beautiful headlamps. Really nice lights, a nice badge. The lights have all those colors in there, so it gives it a lot of depth. The darker and the silver and the white with the highlights in white, and then the amber color there reflecting. Very, very nice. And we do have those nice mirrors on the side. And check it out, we do have the rear view mirror. It's kind of rare to see the rear view mirror, but every once in a while we get one with the rear view mirror and with the sun visors. Sun visors, little rear view mirror there. And the wipers are all molded in that piece of glass right there. Plastic clear glass. And it's so awesome to have the little mirrors on the side. Makes it look more realistic. Check out the exhaust on the bottom. The Carrera name right there in the middle. The lights look great. Nice brake lights, nice reverse lights. Another brake light up on the top there. The vents. There we go. Wow, look at that. Isn't that a beauty? Really, really nice color. Look at that color. Those gold wheels. The interior, man, you can see everything so good. Of course, it's all open, but a lot of little details, right? Molded in that plastic interior. You can even see the pedals on the floorboard. Some gauges, indications for gauges and all that stuff. Very good. Dashboard, glove compartment. Left side driver, nice tall bucket seats in there. The handles on the doors are painted over in the same color as the car, as are the mirrors. But it's a beauty. Looks so good. Another very exciting day finding these beautiful Matchbox. I've been waiting for a new Matchbox for a while. The pegs have been kind of empty when it comes to Matchbox. And we started getting in some of the 5-packs, which was great. Got a couple of those 5-packs, which is awesome. But was hoping to get some cars on just the main line. And finally, we got some. Looks like they must have put them out yesterday, and I missed that. So today is when I was able to stop by. So I missed. I have a feeling they put them out last night. Just by seeing how everything was stocked at Walmart, just gave me that feeling. It looks like everything had been put out the day before, day I couldn't go by. But man, these two are awesome. They look great. Look how cool they look together. And I got another one here with a beautiful blue, metallic blue color. 2016 Alfa Romeo Giulia. And again, this one has a nice card. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Really nice graphics. 2016 Alfa Romeo Giulia. Looks so amazing. That Giulia name reminds me of that movie Wedding Singer. What is that in there? Ooh, I just fogged up the glass. Yeah, there's like something in there. Nice chrome 5-spokes on this one with a metallic blue. Let's check out that front end. Look at that. That's nice. Oh yeah, look at that. Man, that looks so good. Look at those lights, the grill, the badge. Everything's working for me on this Giulia. We do have the wipers on the glass. We do have the mirrors on the side. We do have a little antenna on top. This one's a 4-door. I still can't get that little thing out of there, whatever. And on the back end, we have nice details. Really, really nice. And it looks like a dealership plate, right? With the Giulia name right there. So I was saying, the movie The Wedding Singer, where Giulia, his girlfriend, or the girl he's in love with, was going to marry the guy named Giulia. So she was going to be called, her name was going to be Giulia Giulia. It's just like a little funny quote from the movie. So if you marry him, you're going to be Giulia Giulia. And of course, she does not marry the guy. She winds up with Adam Sandler. If you haven't seen the movie, it's great, funny movie, very funny. It's a great comedy. All right, so this one here, I have the white version, which I got in one of the 9-packs the other day. And I was like, check it out. Now it comes in blue. And I just got the white one. Now I have 2 Alfa Romeo Giulias. And they look good together. Like a car dealership here. What color would you like, sir? And there's the back end on both. The exhaust looks great on both of these. And they are the same exact casting. Here are the markings on these, on the base. 2016 Alfa Romeo Giulia. Copyright 2019, Mattel, made in Thailand. P48 on the new one, and no stamp on the bottom of the white one. This one comes, oh yeah, there is upstamp. P44, it's kind of harder to see. P44 and P48. P44 from the 9-pack. Pretty cool. And this one here, I do have the black one that came out. Can't remember what mix, but it was 2021. Came out in this black with metallic silver flakes in it. So it has like a really sparkly silver shine in there. And it's a lighter interior, but again, a couple of cars, kind of like I have a dealership going here. Pick your favorite, black, or do you want a green one, sir? Would you like to go with the black, or would you like to go with the green? Or would you like to go with the blue or the white? I also got this one here, brand new, 1934 Chevy Master Coupe. And here are the the graphics. The blue, you see the horns right there, the old style. This goes way back to 1934 Chevy Master Coupe. Oh, it does have a little holder inside the package there. Oh, cool. Let me just push that back in there. That's awesome. All right. Nice darker metallic blue. Little darker. This one's kind of like brighter. This one's more subdued. It's got a black interior. I don't see any mirrors here on the sides at all. We do have a nice front end with a nice grille, nice Chevy badge. Very cool. Chevy Master Coupe. And that represents the horns, those two openings right there, right under the lights. They didn't give us those big long horns, but we got something there to indicate the horns. We do have black running boards with the black fenders on back and front. Spare tire back here. Really awesome. Nice hubcaps on this one. Windows are rolled down. Beautiful two-door car. And I do have this one in a very subdued red color, which was also from 2021, a couple of mixes back. So there are two of them. Another dealer choice here. What do you want to go, sir, with the red, or you want to go with the blue? These will fit in good with my Plymouth that I picked up in that 9-pack. Here's a Plymouth. Has a very similar color to this one, but even a little darker than this one. And yeah, it will look good with hanging out with a Plymouth car show or something. Really nice Matchbox cars here today, thanks to Walmart. And I got this one, Matchbox mini cargo truck in blue from the INC Construction Company. This is a really cool livery that's been going on. You can count on getting more vehicles with the INC in the blue color. And once you have a bunch of them, you're going to have a nice crew of construction vehicles. Matchbox Construction, written back here, INC. Part of the bed is yellow, and then we have this part in die-cast. All the blue is die-cast. This one has that pedestal steering wheel, which is kind of strange. And nothing on the front end but the silver badge in the middle, and then a couple of silver little lights there. And that yellow bumper. Pretty cool little mini truck. What do they call it again? I forgot already. The cargo, I know it's the cargo. Matchbox mini cargo. Mini cargo truck. And let's see, it's probably marked down here. There it is. Matchbox mini cargo truck. This was copyrighted 2020. There's made in Thailand. Little elephant P48, which seems to be the number for this mix. And I do have the red one, which came out, I want to say at the beginning of last year, but it could be that it may have been the year prior. I don't know. It just seems like I've had him for a long time. Maybe he's from 2020. I don't know. But that red one has the Melton livery on it and has a little more detail in the front. It has the Melton name in the front, and it also has the caution stripes, but they didn't paint in the lights. So on this one, they painted in the lights, and they didn't give us any other markings in the front. And you can see the difference here on the with the livery, how different they look, right? Just a couple of stripes, and look how different they look. It's kind of cool to have two different little trucks, little mini trucks. The Matchbox Mini. Really cool. Again, which one would you like? The red one, sir, or the blue one, sir? Got a little dealership going here. Two of each car. So you can pick your favorite colors. Pick out your favorite color and drive home in a brand new vehicle. Drive home in a mini truck. Great little cargo truck. This kind of reminds me like of the old vintage airport trucks that would carry like the suitcases and stuff like that to the airport. I mean, to the airplanes that were parked, like you see in vintage movies and stuff like that. Pretty cool. So pretty fun, kind of like an instant collection all of a sudden. So I got a bunch of new ones, guys. This is so great. Let's put the old ones over here. The new ones will shine in the front row for the new ones. Let's put them right here. Oh man, this truck. Let's put the truck in the middle. I think the truck is kind of special. With that shell livery on them. Looks kind of cool. Well, let's put them facing forward because there's too many. So I do have one. There are the Porsches, a repeat. Here's the Giulia, a little mini truck. Look how many I have. This one's a new model, so I don't have any other ones. This is the very first one for the C900. That's the very first time they make this one, I think. So this is going to be cool to see. I'm sure this year they're going to give us another color, or maybe if not this year, at the beginning of next year. But it's going to be great to get another. And who knows, maybe it'll come out in one of those moving parts series or something. Pretty cool. So correct me if I'm wrong, guys, but I think this is a brand new model. First time. Obviously, the others are not first timers. Pretty cool little set. And right here we can put the Plymouth. Plymouth, I just brought him out because I just got him the other day in the 9-pack, and he really does fit in with these guys. Perfect time frame. They look so cool, don't they? There we go. Really nice collection right here. All right, so all I gotta do is go tomorrow to the other Walmart, and maybe I'll find the ones that I missed out on. I have a feeling there may have been more, but you never know. You never know. Maybe I did get them all. It just seemed like there was a lot of Matchbox missing. So, but great find, great find. I feel so happy. I was so excited. I mean, it's the little things, man. The little things that make me so excited. It's just the little things, guys. The little things. I don't need much to be happy. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave your comments. I really enjoy reading your comments. Let me know which ones you have already. Have you found these? Did you get them before me? Let me know which ones you got. I love to hear that you guys also can find them. And if not, you haven't gotten them yet, check your Walmarts because they got to be out there. Because when I get them, that means everybody else has got them already. Because I'm usually the last one to get them, guys. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one tomorrow. In the next video, guys.